Summer is coming, which means warmer temperatures, more daylight, and for many of us, an increase in sun-related activities. Many are now planning much-needed vacations to destinations near and far, especially now that more and more people are vaccinated and places are opening up to travelers once again. In this video, I'm going to talk about what to pack for sunny summer destinations and what to leave at home when it comes to skincare for your melasma. Please stay to the end. I'm going to share a few non-skincare items that you may want to bring along, including this handy gadget and some sunscreen and other packing tips. All things to help manage your melasma and the things I will definitely be packing for my family vacation this summer, because I want to get out in that sunshine and enjoy time with my family and not feel restricted by melasma triggers. If you have melasma, you know what I mean. So if you are heading to a tropical, sunny, hot and humid destination or anywhere where you will be getting more sun exposure than usual, please keep watching. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and for others, welcome back. Hi, I'm Amy. I have melasma. I post videos about all things melasma and ways I manage it. If you would like to see more content like this, please like and subscribe. Now let's get right into this. I'm not going into specifics about skincare for melasma, but rather talk about skincare products or ingredients that you may be currently using in your skincare routine and help you decide if you are going to pack and continue applying them while you are on vacation. Now you know your current skincare routine. Think about the products you are using, in particular the treatment steps. Do the ingredients cause sun sensitivity or cause your skin to be more sensitive to sun exposure? And will your melasma be better off if the products are left at home while you take in more sun than usual? Sun exposure is a trigger, and skincare products that cause irritation are a trigger. And the active ingredients that are likely to cause a reaction are alpha hydroxy acids such as glycolic acid, lactic acid, and mandelic acid. Also beta hydroxy acids such as salicylic acid. Other ingredients are retinoids, also known as retin-A or tretinoin, or retinol, which is the over-the-counter version of retinoids. Basically, the ingredients that assist in cell turnover, which will remove the layer that gives some protection against UV radiation. Now, this can make your skin and melasma, of course, more vulnerable to UVB and UVA rays. Now, this is a reason chemical peels are typically not done in the summer months, sunny vacations or not. Other ingredients for melasma or hyperpigmentation that target pigment that you may want to stop or modify during vacation or summer in general due to increased skin sensitivity from sun exposure are hydroquinone, kojic acid, and alpha-arbutin, which is a derivative of hydroquinone. This includes compound cream or combination creams like the brand name one called Triluma, which has both hydroquinone and tretinoin. Now, an important question to ask yourself is, will I be even more diligent about sun protection while on vacation? That will help you decide if you will pack and continue or modify your usual treatment steps. Keep in mind, these are products you are currently using. I don't recommend starting a new treatment step just prior to or during a sunny vacation. Another treatment step you may be concerned about is vitamin C. Here is a good fact to know. Although vitamin C increases sun sensitivity, together with sunscreen, the two work in tandem to boost the skin's protection from damage. I will continue to apply vitamin C while on vacation because I know I will be diligent about sunscreen. Now, what are some of the other safer, if you will, ingredients that I will pack and continue to use? Azelaic acid is one, and tranexamic acid is another. Both are not associated with a sun-induced reaction. Other ingredients that do not tend to pose a problem are hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and vitamin E. Now, I am not currently using Cispera, the cysteamine cream. I have used it in the past, but this is one that you can also continue to use. Now, regardless of your skincare routine, diligent use of sunscreen is even more important because of the expected increase in sun exposure. Now, I always think of sunscreen as the best treatment and preventative measure for your melasma, so I will pack plenty of good broad spectrum high SPF, preferably 50 plus. I will definitely pack tinted sunscreens for the added benefits of the iron oxides, and some of my favorite tinted sunscreens are SPF 30, and that is also good. All will be water and sweat resistant up to 40 minutes, and even better 80 minutes, which should help keep it in place. As always, make sure you're mindful to apply an adequate amount to ensure the stated SPF, which is approximately half a teaspoon for face and neck. So basically, just apply generously and apply often. I will probably reapply more often than every 2 hours just to be extra cautious, and of course, anytime after being in the water. And for any of you who are flying to your destination, remember, TSA requires less than 3 fluid ounce containers. I prefer packing my face sunscreens in my carry-on when I fly. Most of my favorite sunscreens for the face are packaged 3 ounces or less, so that's not an issue. And I don't know about you, but I tend to be less picky about sunscreen I apply on my body, so I feel comfortable purchasing a good broad spectrum sunscreen for body in a larger size when I get to my destination if I'm not checking a bag. And mineral sunscreen sticks are also a must for easy reapplication, and there's no problem taking those through TSA. I will list the sunscreens I plan to pack in the description box below, along with the my vacation skincare routine products will also be listed. Another reason to keep sunscreen in your carry-on is so that you can reapply if you have a long flight. Don't forget, broad spectrum SPF is needed during the flight too to minimize mostly atmospheric UVA exposure. Now here's another in-flight tip. Now if you have the option, choose to not sit in a window seat to minimize the UV exposure, or pull down that window shade. Oh, and make sure you try all your sunscreens before you head off for your vacation so that you are not at your destination and bummed that your skin did not react well to a new sunscreen. As you know, never rely on sunscreen alone, and this is even more relevant when there is increased sun exposure, especially when skincare products are in use that could increase skin sensitivity. Try to avoid peak sun hours, which are usually 10-11 a.m. to 2 to 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Seek shade whenever possible. Hard to do, I know. So other things to pack are UPF sun protective clothing, face masks or gaiters, definitely wide brim hats. Also consider a UPF umbrella and oversized non-metal sunglasses. I will put a few links below for videos about some of these items. Now here is a great item from Coolibar that I will pack, and it is a UPF 50 plus sailing tee, and it has an adjustable gaiter neckline. It's like a sunscreen shirt with a connected gaiter, and it even has thumb holes to protect the tops of your hands. This is my go-to, especially when I'm on a boat or doing an activity on the water. Pair this with a hat and I am good to go. Now this comes in other colors and prints. I can't say enough about Coolibar products. If you are not familiar, or if you are, definitely check out some of the latest things that they have. This is made of a breathable, quick dry fabric that is chlorine and saltwater resistant. I want to share one more item. This, my friends, is so great. It is a portable neck fan, my latest purchase that I love for managing melasma. I will be using it this summer and definitely when I'm on vacation. Heat triggers melasma, so anything to help beat the heat helps minimize flare-ups. I like this fan especially because it allows me to be hands-free, and on quick glance, it kind of just looks like I have headphones on my neck. Obviously, this fan is not specifically designed as a melasma management gadget. Anyone can benefit from using it during indoor and outdoor activities. But for those of us with melasma, it will help to keep the face and neck cool to avoid heat from triggering melasma and making it worse this summer. And any season really when you are faced with situations that increase heat. Like even before you reach your vacation destination, if you are flying and you have to rush through the airport and then sit on an airplane with a mask on, mask mandates in airports and airplanes at the time is still in effect at the time I'm shooting this video. So I'll be wearing this. It's lightweight. I think the description says it's about 9 ounces, and it has air outlets all along here. It's not loud. It has 3 speeds. I'll turn it on so you can hear it. You push the button once for the low speed, again for medium, and then high. Not bad, right? I'm just going to turn it off here. There is a USB charging port here. It comes with the cord, and the battery life on it varies from 4 hours up to 16 hours depending on the speed that you're running it. And these days, anywhere you can charge a phone, you can charge this, even on the plane. And I will put links below for the fan and also the UPF shirt. I'm going to wrap this up by saying broad spectrum SPF is an everyday must and never takes a vacation. It's the best treatment and preventative step for your melasma. So whether you decide to pack all your skincare and not disrupt your current usual skincare routine, or modify it or scale it way back, the choice is yours. If you are concerned about an increased potential for a melasma flare-up as a result of skincare ingredients combined with increased time in the sun, then a vacation from your melasma treatment steps is always an option. If that's the case, I recommend packing at least a gentle cleanser and an oil or balm cleanser as a second cleanse to help remove all the sunscreen at the end of the day, and your favorite moisturizer. If you are using any prescription treatments and are unsure about continuing them while at a sunny vacation destination, then consult your dermatologist, who is always your best source. I hope this video has been informative. If so, please like and share this video with anyone who may benefit. It helps to grow my channel. Wishing you all good health and a safe summer. Thank you to my subscribers, and thank you for taking the time to invest in your face. Bye.